Here we're doing spark plugs on this Santa Fe. This is a 13, but I suppose it should work for all the 2.4 liter engines. You know, your engine looks like this. First thing we do is take this cover off. Now these spark plugs are real easy to do. So we got this 10 millimeter holding each one of these little coil pack things on. But as I can see in there, there's crap in there. So I'm going to blow all that crap out to make sure nothing falls down into that cylinder head. I already blew all that stuff out. Take these out. Just set them aside. And these you pull up on. There we go. Spark plugs are right down there. So we're going to get out our spark plug socket. So I got my 5/8 here, and usually it's called a spark plug socket because there's like a rubber padding or something in there to kind of grip the spark plug. Of course, this is a very cheap one, so it doesn't work that well. And the extension I'm using is way longer than you need. Go through, and I'm going to break them all loose. Hopefully this doesn't get flagged or muted because of the background music. But I don't want to work in silence. You gotta have some music. Twisting this all the way loose. Doesn't usually they stick, they go right in there and they stick to the end. I don't have it all the way loose yet. Thought I did. Magnet, stack them up here. This is the old spark plug. It doesn't look bad, but if they want new ones, we're putting in new ones. So here's the new ones here in this box. It's the part. I love you. Another tech just said he loves me, so that's nice. I don't know if you heard that on there. So it's a box with other boxes. Here is the new spark plug. So all the gaps should be good, but you can double check them. I'll do that on, I don't know where my gap tester is. But I'm going to pull all the rest of these plugs out before I put new ones in. I'm going to finish doing that. Here's side by side, an old one and a new one. So this is the old one, this will be the new one. There's a car that probably got its cat stolen. You can see how much it's worn down there. Oops. I got all these out. All these are the old plugs. So I got a special place for them. I'm just going to set them right there. And let's put the new ones in. Fit one. Put them all in the holes. Now don't just go putting anything on there to torque them down. I thread them all the way down by hand to make sure I don't cross thread these. So there, I can't turn it anymore by hand. And then I'll go with the wrench and torque them or snug them up. Another thing I don't know offhand of the torque specs on. I'm sure there's somebody on YouTube that's doing it that can tell you, or you can look it up. Snug it. Now they're all snug in there. Got them all in. Put these back on. What's nice about the new cars now, it doesn't have like the distributor cap where you got to keep track of what goes to what. These, it's just on a rail and these plug right in. And I start these by hand too to make sure I don't cross thread anything. Put your cover back on. It's that easy to change these spark plugs on the 4 cylinders.